How to change Facebook Marketplace location to another country. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change your Facebook Marketplace location to a different country or region. So watch until the end and follow the steps carefully to avoid any errors. First of all, you need to open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page of Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and then go to Help and Support. Once you tap on it, again go to Help Center. Tap on Report a Problem, that is between Support Inbox and Safety. Tap on Continue to report a problem. Now this will indicate Creating Report by Facebook. Tap on Include in Report and select Marketplace, which you will find between Live and Messages option. Now in this description box, you need to describe your issue, that you want to change your country or region to a desired country for your marketplace. And then you can also add any images if you want. Then tap on this arrow button in the top right corner of the screen to send it. And after sending the report, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours for Facebook to acknowledge your problem. And hopefully this will fix it and change your country to the desired one. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.